In front of me is Honor 600 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to never. Begin by opening Play Store to download free app called Coffin Keep Screen On from this developer. Not sponsored, by the way. When it's ready, launch it. And hit OK in Welcome pop-up. Now tap on Timeout to make sure Infinite is on. And when you're ready, go into Tab menu by swiping down from the top right corner of your screen. Then click at the top left corner twice. Once, I guess. And choose Add Tile. Then click at the top left corner and select Add Tile. Now scroll all the way down to add Coffin shortcut. Click on this plus at the top right corner of it and click on the check mark at the top right corner twice. Then click on your new shortcut, and as you can see, after a few seconds, it's on. If you wish to switch it off, click on the same one until it's gray. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!